Kalau menurutku em, justru yang bikin poin di mana dia merasa kurang cukup tuh poin di mana titik di mana um, Kathy nggak bisa celebrate sama dia dengan segala kesuksesannya. Jadi kayak hmm, dia celebrate itu sendiri. Makanya di ada beberapa lagu yang ya dia nyanyi dia kayak lagunya Kak His misalnya ada perempuan-perempuan yang flirting sama dia nggak inget bahwa dia punya wives karena ya dia sendiri jadinya nge-celebrate suksesnya dia itu.
Okay. So still feels a bit lonely in the relationship, yeah.
I think he needs the presence of his wife more than I mean like gue ngerasa dia apa ya kayak mungkin jatuhnya setelah dia sukses like narcissistic karena dia ngerasa kayak gue udah sukses nih terus kok cewek gue nggak selalu ada samping gue kan gue padahal gue keren nih gue tajir gue bisa date sama siapa aja gue tapi gue masih memilih lo loh gitu tapi dia mau nunjukin itu di depan wife-nya kayak gue di depan semua orang banyak cewek yang deketin gue tapi gue mau gue masih mau sama lo tapi lo nggak ada sama gue kayak the presence of the companion sih sebenarnya yang dia butuhin tapi dia ya itu karena dia punya egonya besar dan dia tidak mau apa ya saling mengerti mungkin empati
Saling mengerti, right? Jadinya nggak ketemu gitu ya.
Menurut
Kalau
boleh nambahin dikit mungkin maksudnya karena ini kan 5 tahun ya mungkin bukan dia nggak mau ngerti sih tapi udah capek ngerti kayak aku ngebayangin in a span of 5 years berapa kali dia udah nyanyiin lagu-lagu kayak small song gitu ke Kathy untuk cheer her up seberapa dia capek kayak maksudnya kalau aku coba berempati ke Jamie itu pasti udah muak juga dikit-dikit harus ngehibur Kathy yang Kathy juga gloomy terus gitu loh jadi kayak mungkin Jamie-nya sendiri udah capek di relasi
Ya aku setuju banget sih Kak BK. Suara aku kedengeran kan?
berat.
Oke. Kayak I think over time kayak dia ngerasa nih dia udah kayak sukses banget he got everything in his life that he wants but the one thing that makes him feel failure itu adalah ketika dia tidak bisa membuat Kathy itu di mata dia mungkin selevel sama dia in her career gitu jadi kayak she has like it kind of feels like they started at the same starting point but then Jamie is already like 10 steps ahead while Kathy is still 2 steps ahead and like Jamie udah kayak trying so hard to accelerate her to pull her with him tapi kayak over the years ketika kayak you know I mean it's not also Kathy's fault juga sebenarnya tapi circumstance and all maybe eventually over the years kayak Jamie put the blame on her as bisa dilihat di I Could Never Rescue You dan I will not fail to make you feel comfortable and I will not lose so you can't win itu kayak I think itu udah kayak titik poin muaknya dia and I guess it's like one thing that if it went the other way if Kathy kayak juga sukses dalam ini dia kayak mungkin merasa dia punya partner yang setara gitu sama dia in the same journey at the same level gitu di level tangga yang sama gitu. So I guess it gets kind of lonely there maybe it stems from his past gitu nggak tahu his family we didn't really get to know his background as childhood gitu-gitu ya cuman it might stem from there the need to have like a partner who either kayak menurut aku kayak can be his constant cheerleader gitu dia inginnya kayak somebody to support him 100% tapi juga at the same time dia ngerasa kayak effort dia untuk reciprocate itu ke Kathy kok nggak ada buah hasilnya gitu gitu kayak he also tries to be her cheerleader gitu tapi why isn't he getting the same result as kayak ini gue nih udah lo ada buat gue sukses kok gue ada buat lo nggak apa-apa gitu kayak kasarannya ngomong kayak gitu sih I guess and I think that's like jadi internally for him it's like failure tapi juga because he's ego, he has a high ego, maybe he doesn't really want to put the entire blame on himself gitu. So
Mhm.
yeah.
Mhm.